Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Kanutaloa IP. Today we're going to look at two types of PBXs. One is Yeastar Central Management, which is a fully cloud-based PBX. It's operated through a management system where you can add licenses per extension, licenses we'd purchase through a distributor. We can assign these licenses to deploy different IP PBX for users, all from central management. For example, if we have a user who only needs 5 extensions and another who only needs 10, we can allocate those extensions to create a server tailored to each user's needs. It has an intuitive platform. This system is designed to be resold to different companies or industries that need such a solution. The advantage is that it also has an embedded SBC, meaning that for end devices, whether IP phones, cell phones, or gateways to add phone lines, we don't need an intermediary. These devices connect directly to the IP PBX located in the cloud. Licensing is annual, and for a single cloud account, a minimum of 5 extensions is required to create the account and use the PBX. The advantages include high security and integrations with WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. Since it's cloud-based, we can also use SIP trunks. In the case of SIP trunks, this integration must be done directly with a provider that assigns us that SIP directly to a public IP address or domain. The other PBX handled by Yeastar is the P-Series, but this P-Series is software-based, which means we need a dedicated server. The server doesn't require many specific features and is based on Ubuntu or Debian. Either operating system can be installed on the server or virtualized on a machine. As for the plans, there are two, Enterprise and Ultimate. The difference between them is that Ultimate includes a video option and integrates all the features we see here. If you look here, you'll see the video conferencing option, which the Enterprise series does not include. These are also the integrations included with the system. As for the Ultimate video conferencing plan, it includes a call center option, integrations for sending text messages via WhatsApp and Facebook, and the system's own chat feature. It supports various CRMs, including Salesforce, Zoho, and Odoo. These are advanced integrations compatible with the PBX. And in the case of this server, for example, which is installable, we can also have it in the cloud. This depends on where we want to host it. It could be on Amazon Web Services, Google, Azure, or another hosting provider. As for virtualization, currently VMware, Hyper-V, KVM, or Proxmox are available for installing the operating system. If you have any other questions, you can visit this link or the central management link. In future videos, we'll be looking at how to use the platform. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.